Hi guys, good morning. Lahi na sad nga adlaw, lahi na sad nga challenge sa atong kinabuhi. Mga igsoon, karong adlaw, excited kayo ko kay ngano ang akong guest sa ako ang programang Let's Talk with Jonas, usa ka pinakabanggiitang content creator sa Cagayan de Oro. Wala lain mga igsoon, si Burns J.
Yung buntag magkutaw sa gusong yerba mate.
Grabe siya ka-busy guys.
So anyway, good morning. Hello mga mads, siguro akong tawag na sa mga kauban din sa social media.
Oh.
So hello mga mads, mayong ano na tong tanan diha no, and I hope all's well. It's an honor to be interviewed by our friend here.
Yeah. Burn, thank you for saying yes for my
Of
collaborations
course,
with you.
yes.
Thank you,
sure.
salamat kayo. Anyway, ano ko ba? Taga-asa gid ka, Bern? Parang grabe, exhale mag-inhale.
Kailangan magiging mo i-feel ang power sa yerba mate. But anyway, later on, I will be discussing to you about the products na akong ginabuhat karon sa akong kinabuhi. But anyway, okay, sa imong question, taga-asa gid ko. So, atong i-trace balik kung asa gid ko nigikan. No? Taga Camiguin gid ko. I was born in Camiguin. Sa tulo ka igsuon, ako ra ang natao sa Camiguin. Ang akong duha ka igsuon natao sa Cagayan na. Oo, so taga Camiguin gid ko, born but raised na diri sa born Camiguin, raised in CBO na.
Wow.
Because my parents moved out from the island. But every summer nagi mi sa Camiguin sa una gyud. Lahi ra gyud ang kinabuhi basta nasa isla kay peaceful, simple, and dagat. Ganahan gid kog dagat gyud. Some of my friends knew nga ganahan gid kog dagat gyud. Yes.
Diri na ka nag-elementary, nag-high school, nag-college.
Yes.
Okay.
Diri na gid kami tulo ka igsuon kami sa Cagayan na gid mi nang gi-eskwela.
Ikaw may kamagulangan.
Ikaduha ko, the middle child.
Ah.
I'm the only girl. So, yes. Isa ra po akong eskwelahan nga ako na tumban sa akong kinabuhi. Oo. Ano po, sa Xavier.
Xavier ka,
Yes.
high school.
Since Kinder 1.
Okay. Kinder 1 to college.
Tinista po tayo.
Gabi, taga
Yes.
Xavier ka din guys. Anyway, imong parents is nagnegosyo sa Cagayan.
Akong tatay, privately employed before sa ilang family business. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Sambar Machine Shop and Auto Repair Works, whatever.
Somewhere else Minya.
Yeah, somewhere in Lapasan, before,
Lapasan,
and then
yeah.
Busa, and then akong nanay was a government employee. She was connected with Bureau of the Treasury before.
So you,
But now she's retired.
all right. Now, na-mention mo here from Xavier, from kindergarten to high school.
Yes.
So, way back in
1989.
1989?
Yes.
Pila din itong edad karon if you don't mind?
83 man ko na born. Yeah, so Kinder 1, yeah, 89 lagi to, 1989.
So, sa unang panahon, Bern, ang taga Xavier, kay Xavier magyapunta, ang taga Xavier, high school na lang no kung nag-Xavier.
Oh,
Pero
okay.
ang taga Xavier, wala pag yung mga babae that time.
Yes, wala gid kami pag yun. Kung ano naman sa unang Xavier, kami.
But so
Oo.
pag 2004, it was the time nga
Nag-co-ed na din sila.
nag-co-ed na din sila.
Because sa 2001, we were the last batch of all boys sa Xavier.
So nag-college ka Xavier gihapon.
Yes.
What was
I took up EB Economics.
EB Economics. So you're really good in economics. So,
Basic lang.
Kasi mo yung kasura di economics sa Pilipinas.
We are experiencing economic instability due to some factors, internal and external.
Bitaw.
Oo. Inflation. Di mo ginamalikin ng inflation.
Yeah. So, kasi mo yung tulo mo kabuok,
Yes.
you're the only girl.
I'm the only guy.
Kamusta na iba sa imong parents nga, you're the only girl?
Actually, kabalo na magina sila because our parents are not dumb, you know.
Alright.
Kabalo na sila, pero dili lang sila nga naka-expressive because kung once magud makabalo sila and sama murag nga na ko anak eh. So murag patuyangan ba dili sila gusto ana. So ako ma-feel na ko ang parents pero kabalo gyud kung love ko nila.
Yeah, of course. Bisag unsa pa no.
Oo.
Love gyud na nimo kay imong mga anak.
Yes. Hindi ko nila love na.
Napatay.
Oh.
Bern, prior sa imong pagka-content creator, o sa imong kalingawan sa unang trabaho ba ka? Na-employed ba ka sa private
Okay.
company?
Okay, during college, I was a working student. I was a service crew at Jollibee.
Mm.
2 years and 8 months, I was with Jollibee Linketkai, and 5 months, I was at Jollibee SM Uptown.
Oh.
So I spent my 3 year because I spent 5 years in college.
Oh.
So I spent my 3 years and 2 months being a part-time student. So Jollibee and school. That was for 3 years and 2 months, and I supported myself
Okay.
because I really wanted to graduate from Xavier yun. My 2 brothers, unfortunately, they were not able to graduate. Akong youngest, ang youngest na mga igsoon is wala ni-graduate sa Xavier na high school. Okay, pag high school, ato na siya laing nga school. Akong brother na po siya sa laing school. So ako ra gyud ang nabilin sa Xavier. So I told myself na gusto ko mo graduate og Xavier.
Nagpabiling kay Xavier.
Yes, nagpabiling virgin sa Xavier.
And take note guys sa BS in Economics.
AB.
AB Economics.
Yeah, but the difference between AB and BS Economics is ang kato lang yung nalay mga, I think,
Two subject.
nine nadugang.
Yeah,
I think nine nadugang na science na subjects. Yeah, but gamay lagi kang diferensya yun.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what made you decide to go into or what made you decide nga mag-vlogging ka or mag-content creator ka?
Okay. Magami kong dagway daan because aside sa in fairness I was the best host sa Jollibee Kiddie Party sa una. Yes. Wag yung nakapil din ako anak for the record. So bagari kong dagway daan, so why not capitalize on being magagnaw?
Yeah.
So of course, I also believe in technological advancements. Akong gi-explore ang vlogging or blogging.
Yeah.
But akong gi-involve akong self sa kanang mainstream na gid nga social media 2019 before pandemic.
Okay.
But pero duga lagi ko nag-content. I just upload everything and anything
under the sun.
Under the sun. Kung say feel na ako, upload.
Yeah.
Kung ako'y napakatawa nga person, okay na kay kuan na gid. Malingaw na kay kuan na. So yeah. 2019, I built my Facebook page. February 2019.
Grabe, specific yun.
Very specific. I can still remember all the details.
Yeah.
And fast forward, pandemic came, March. So
2020.
2020.
Yeah.
Walang lingaw ang mga tao.
Kung siya tawag sa una,
Lockdown.
Lockdown.
Naka-lockdown. So, akong gibuhat, since I lost my job during pandemic because I was laid off, I was one of those employees na laid off sa kumpanya.
Yeah.
Because I used to be the area manager for Mindanao.
Oh, in Jollibee?
No. After Jollibee, I graduated AB Economics. After 2 years, for the next 2 years, I focused on my hosting. I built my name. And after 2 years, nga walay trabaho, nag-focus sa hosting, nag-apply ko work sa retail
industry.
Yeah. I was the store manager sa Giordano for 5 years. And after being the store manager of the store, because that store became best shop, whole Philippines.
During your time?
Under my management. Of course, I'm proud ko na. Nana sa history.
Yeah.
Okay, so after...
It's on the record, guys. So.
Yes. So after 5 years, the company offered me the area manager position for Mindanao.
So it's widened?
Yes, widened. Yeah. So from a micro level to a macro level. So I handled 11 stores. Davao, Jensen, Zamboanga, Butuan, and Cagayan. And basta, I was the area manager for 9 years.
Is it hard to manage a retail industry compared to food chain?
Mas sayon, sa kuan magod sa food industry, dili maguto dako akong position. I was a marketing assistant before because I was student.
Yeah.
But part-time raman to. So wala kayo, ang dili kayo nga nakataas og level sa accountability.
Yes.
So karon nga na imo ko store manager tapos na imo ko area manager na sa isa ka retail brand. Dako siya nga responsibility. So medyo stressful siya.
Yeah.
Well, it comes with the package.
With the right price man yan. Now with the kwarta.
Of course. Masadig ka.
Yeah.
Buiboy tatanan dapat karon. So dako mo siya responsibility. na-manage naman siya.
Mm.
Basta, utukan na gid ka nga area manager.
Bitaw.
Because kung magpa-absorb na sad ka sa stress and pressure, if you don't know how to enjoy the life as an area manager for that kanang nga nga position,
Yes.
luoy ka gyud.
Mm.
Kailangan gyud ka kabalo mo balance.
Tinod.
You know what guys, diskarte ra gyud na ang
Diskarte,
tanan.
yeah.
Yes.
Discarte over education.
Yes. But
Yes. Sa imong content creator ba? Or let's say, sa imong content creator ba? What was the worst you have experienced?
okay,
Shirt or whatever.
during pandemic, namo ko'y content manggod nga gihimo. Ang title was ngano dili tanan makadawat og social amelioration program.
Itong ayuda.
Yes, ayuda.
Mm.
So, it was a satire post. Ang akong gi-post magod is dili ka makadawat sa social amelioration program kung na internet inyong balay,
Yeah,
na
nice.
kay Netflix subscription,
Yeah.
sige kag Starbucks, sige kag story og kuan, milk tea, ana lugar ba. So daghang ginasuko sa kuha.
Mm.
And daghang nasuko sa kuha because dili daw na mao ang direksyon sa presidente sa Pilipinas.
Mm.
Ang digong mo to ka time.
Oh, that was Duterte.
Oh, susuko kayo ang mga tao.
Kailangan ka DDS
Kasi
na.
dagan niya kayo, mga ugobs. Mga ubog. Ganun, namuguyoban mga tao, manggod. Actually, most of the people na nag-react sa post nga negatively is katong mga tao nga medyo taas-taas ng edad.
Mm.
And then, katong yung marag, Basta mo di ay na Netflix, dili wala makadawat o ayuda. Mura
Yeah,
suko
yeah.
sa ako.
Yeah.
Not to the point, kadalang iga-message sa ako,
Oh.
And one of the messages that struck me most was, kulatahon daw ko niya kung makita ko niya sa public.
Was it private message or
It was
nakapost
a private message.
Ah, right.
Kulatahon daw ko niya, hoy, basi wala ka kabalog mads or basi wala mo kabalo diha ka 511 na ako.
Taas na ba kayo? Di ba?
Ito joke lang.
Like,
Pero nag-message din ko adto
Mm.
nga kulatahon gidaw ko niya
Mm.
makita ko niya sa public. Dili daw mao ang giingon sa presidente. So that was one of the most controversial. Well, yeah, that was one of the controversial
mm.
contents that I made on social media.
Mm.
Nitaas gid akong following adto.
Because of that.
Yes, because of that. Because somehow, if you're a content creator, magod mga man,
Mm.
if you're a content creator, you need to, stand out
Mm.
from everyone.
Make some different lugar kung baga.
Yes.
Okay, kung
You have to be different from the others.
kung buringan po kasi lang, normal na lang kakakita
Oo.
sa imo, buringan na sila, no? So you have to make some noise on your page.
Yes.
Which was the noise that you've made before, that during the pandemic was to create that
The satire post.
narrative that,
Oo. Yes. So that was a press con
Mm.
inspired na content.
Yeah.
And that inspiration, gikuha ginako to kang Honorable Mayor Oscar Moreno
Wow,
before
Oscar Moreno, yeah.
na press con.
Yeah. You mentioned about bashing during that time, the pandemic. Now, pila naman ka hook imong followers karon if you don't mind?
Kato nga time, during pandemic, I had 100 plus,
Hmm.
100 plus K. Karon, upon checking, nano ko'y, gaganing na buntag, akong gi-check, akong page,
Hmm.
na ay, nano ko'y 200, as of the moment, masya 280,000 followers plus.
Wow, takot ko lang. Hindi natin mag-mention sa millions na yan. Actually, millions na walang siguro siya nagsaba sa ato. Okay. Nasiguro taga-BIR na nung nananaw ba?
Well, these are just followers, guys.
Yeah.
It doesn't always translate to sales.
Yeah.
Sales or earnings.
Correct.
And compliant me.
Hmm.
Even content creators, compliant me sa tax. Tax gyapon me. Oo.
Ba?
So, dili gid full ang earnings. But you know what? Nowadays,
Automatic sa mo kuha
Yeah.
sa tax dito sa kwan?
yes.
Mm.
So, dili na kayo ingana pod kanindot ang bayad-bayad sa content karon.
Mm.
So that is why I would understand that some content creators are now endorsing
Yeah,
online sugal or whatnot.
online nga sugal.
Yeah, but
I think mostly of the content creator no.
yes,
They're
but
doing that, no?
unfortunately I will not be doing it, Gid. Daghang kay ga-offers ako but I told myself, and I am always reminded by my mother's
Mm.
principle
Yeah.
na ayaw gid mo pag ingana. Ayaw gid mo pag endorse og mga ingana.
Pero mo gibawa nga na ron. How do you know?
Na magyapon because some of the online sugal magod are regulated by the
Pagcore.
Pagcore
Philippine
ba na siya?
Gaming Amusement
yeah, kana.
Corporation. No, ako, I have nothing against with our co-content, sorry, I have nothing against with our content creator. Kay,
Yes.
ang inabuhi, mangyapon na.
Oo.
And, of course,
Kaya,
we will respect them.
Inyuhan na.
Yeah.
Oo.
Anyway, actually, ako, followers po ko nila ni Kimirot, Brain Damage, ilang mga adorasyon, sa pato isa, si Inday Ligaya, nag-follow ko sila, and I look at them as my inspiration lugar, kumbaga. And of course, sa imuha. Alam mo,
Okay na kayo yan. Paano na kayo?
Now, how will you actually, or what can you say about those kanang mga content creator burns ba nga? Nag-away bitaw, or they're just making noise lang na.
Well,
Kaya nag-away din sila. Si Katusiya, kana siya, nag-away sila because of this. And I assume nga, ilaran ng gibuat-buat para musikat, samot. Maybe yes, maybe no.
daghan kayo mga anggulo manggod ana guys. You know, as content creators manggod, these people are creative and they need to stand out from everyone. That is
Yeah.
why naagyo sila mga gabuhaton nga ing ana. Well, what nakabalo ko sa ginang the real story behind it. But lagi mga ingana yun like, oh sige, ato nang i-strategize. It's all about strategy. Ano na siya mga mads?
Lagi ba, no?
Ano na siya, Brad?
Ano
It's all
na-
about strategy.
Sa imo pagka-childhood sa una ba? Kumusta man imong love life and even today? Imong experience sa una sa imong love life during your high school and your college?
Love life, virgin pagid ko.
Even until now?
Virgin pagid akong kasing-kasing. Wala pag yun nakabuak ani. I'm so sorry but you know, I don't play games.
Yeah.
I coach.
Lagi. You're very vocal. The way I understand you, you're very extrovert.
Yes.
Kanang sometimes, what made you decide to cry? Na may time nga makahilak pa ka, na may time nga maghilak ba ka because of this and because of that?
Most of the times kay dili yun.
Wala kay kana.
Wala.
So,
Wala kayo.
always happy gid ka, wala kay
Yeah, most of the time.
wala kay
Happiness,
pakialam sa mga problems,
Yes.
etc.
yeah, happiness is a decision.
Lagi, that's
You have to decide.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Sa imo, Bern, sa imo mga vlogs ba? Na kay products ang gina-take.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
O unsa man na siya nga products na curious ko ana di ko kailangan gina ko maistorya sa Bern. Unsa na nga product diyan kay inumon nga you tell about the benefits of the products and etc. Please tell us about that.
Okay.
No, for the benefits of our followers and our viewers also.
Okay. Mga mads, since nag-ask na to amigo dire,
Yeah.
I will be discussing about these two products. Yeah. Akong ginom kaganina, that was yerba mate. Oo. So yerba mate to siya.
Yerba mate?
Yerba mate.
Yerba mate.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the counterpart sa matcha sa Japan. So kaning yerba mate, taas nga siya antioxidants.
Okay.
Yes.
So
anyway,
that is imported products.
yes. So this is the yerba mate and this is the fiber matrix. So kani siya is it should be taken in the mornings to calm hunger, oo, suppress your appetite, and makaprolong sa fasting. Sometimes gabot ko og 22, 24 hours fasting. Yeah, because of this one. And dahil kini siya benefits.
So, sa energy booster.
Yes, one of the energy boosters na siya.
Okay.
Yeah, energy booster yun siya, by the way.
Okay. But that is imported. So, siyempre, approved by FDA.
Yes, approved. Halal, kosher, and FDA approved.
So, available po ito sa market.
Yes, available sa market using my link to get a special discount.
Of course. Okay. So,
this is the fiber matrix. Kani siya ang makapamubo sa inyong blood sugar.
Okay.
Yes.
Mo ba?
Makapamubo sa inyong bad cholesterol. Makapa-improve sa inyong markers. Markers meaning LDL, VLDL, triglycerides. Yes. This is not just
okay.
for this is not just for kanang char-char lang yung mga products, no.
So you need to
This is
put
for
it,
wellness yun.
yeah, you need to mix it in the water or sablingwa siya.
Water,
Uh-huh.
i-mix na siya sa water.
Okay.
And kaning yerba mate, pwede siya tubig init, pwede po siya bugnaw. But for the fiber matrix, kailangan gid siya og bugnaw lang. Hindi siya pwede
Okay.
init. Okay. It should be it should be taken paspas. Bumaga man ni siya.
So every day one sachet.
Every day, tulo.
Tulo.
Because kaning fiber matrix, should
Morning,
be take-
afternoon, evening.
yeah, should be taken before lunch and before dinner.
Before dinner.
Yes.
Okay. So that's available in the market.
Yes, using my link because it can only be bought using a distributor link.
Okay.
Yes.
Ano sa pag-benefits na aside from that?
Benefits ani? Grabe, amazing. It addresses insulin resistance.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that
It
again?
addresses insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is
Yeah.
the root cause of all chronic illnesses such as hypertension, diabetes, PCOS, gout, and hair loss. Daghan kayo ang reason nga nung masakit ang isa ka tao because of insulin resistance.
Mo ba?
Kamo na lang research sa insulin resistance, guys.
Yeah. Research na lang siya sa ayo.
I-research na lang ninyo because we don't have time for that.
Sa mga kuha ka ng mga rayuma, ka ng mga gout, ka na.
Gout is caused by insulin resistance. So, kung nakay gout, what are you waiting for? Message me.
Unsay name niya?
This is what you call the field grade system.
Okay.
FGS.
Okay.
Field grade system.
Under manufactured siya sa
Yeah.
sorry
The company behind FGS is Unicity.
made in Korea.
Yeah, this is Korea and US.
All right. Unicity. Unimate.
Very amazing products, and I've been using the product since September 2022 until now. Very consistent, getting results. And sa mga gusto mong pagamay, magpa-healthy, weight loss is just a side effect.
Yeah. Your page is Burn J.
Burns J, yes.
Burns J. Burns J. Abi na akong Bernie J. So Burns
It's
J.
okay, Burns J.
Burns J.
Because my real name is Bernard Hakulan yun. So, my family name, so, kung ang mga kanang matunog kayo siya sa mga Tagalog.
Bernie
So, Burns na lang yun. And J lang na yun.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what's your plan for that product? You continue to
Okay.
take it.
Oh, ano ni siya? Ano ni siya,
Dili po
guys?
siya ingon nga considered sa stambal.
Dili ni siya.
Maintenance lang
No contraindication. This is just a supplement.
Okay.
Natural.
So no palpitation.
No palpitation. This is just food.
Oh, okay.
And what is food? Food gives us nourishment.
Dili po gaka-acid imong imong stomach
No, daily food.
Eh before man sa meals, di ba?
Oo. And then, lahi lang yun. Guys, message me to know more about the products.
Bid performance, would it be okay? For the bid performance?
Para daw sa mga
Just, na-curious na ko.
kani, pang performance, ay, makahapag ka yun world-class performance. Because you know what, guys? Performance yun, yung pasabot is, nga na siya, dapat holistic yung approach na yun. Una akong ginato, dapat healthy atong lawas.
Yeah.
You know what, guys? Kung hindi mo good healthy imong lawas, kung insulin resistant po ka, sa mga lalaki, mumubog yun ang testosterone. It addresses your testosterone.
No comments.
Oo. So, insulin resistance is one of the major cause why daghan tag chronic illnesses din. So, yeah.
Modern. No, I understand.
It addresses insulin resistance.
Yeah.
The best product ever I've encountered sa akong life. As in, this will be my lifetime partner na yun. So, kung mayon ka, kumusta yung love life? Kani ang akong love life.
Kana ang imong love life ba?
Yes.
So one sachet per timpla.
Yes.
So this has to be a combination.
Dili, kanila isa, di siya pwede i-combine.
So Bios Life is og Unimate.
Oh, yun yung mate.
Unimate. Okay. So 500 ml or 300
300 to 20 to 300.
And this one is another also.
Yeah.
Okay. Kanina gidwa yung imong para sa inyo.
Actually, dagang kayo products ang Unicity. But for now, we are focusing more on addressing the insulin resistance. So,
kay ma'am ginay mo yung problema.
yes. So,
Especially-
dagang products ang Unicity.
Okay. Very familiar to me. The company is very familiar. All right. Oh, what can we ask for? What's more?
Bring it on!
Bring it.
Bring it on! Come on! It's very early. It's still 8:36 in the morning. Come on! Wala ba ka energy?
Wala na. Na-overwhelm ko sa imo.
You know what, guys? Ako ga-manage ko og cafe. but I don't drink coffee na yun.
Mo ba?
Oo. Lahi ra gid ang ginahatag ni yerba mate sa kuha. Ay, well, dili man bawal ang coffee, di man bawal ang coffee. But I prefer a drink that could sustain me the whole day.
Yeah, it's your choice, ma'am po.
Steady energy. Yeah.
Ayan,
But usahay gainom kong coffee pero black ra gid ko. Di ko pwede anang sagol-sagol
Yeah.
because I always think magod of sugar.
Yeah.
So to be safe, black coffee ra gid ko kung mga piko.
Ako black coffee ra gyapon ko.
Yeah.
Always black coffee ra ko. Sometimes kanang medyo makalaagi ba sa area nga wala yung mga black coffee, makainom ko mga 3-in-1, mga inana. Babat gamay lang, importante lang ako lang palit ba maka-taste lang ko kay medyo need ginatag coffee yun.
But why not? You try yapon yun ni Mate pohon. Yung
Yeah.
yerba mate.
Of course, I will.
Ay, by the way, yerba mate is yerba mate is the most favorite drink of Pope Francis.
Ay mo ba?
Yes. Because Pope Francis is Argentinian. And yerba mate is sikat siya sa North America.
North America.
Oo. Sa kanang Argentina, kanang diha.
Mga nag-quiz ka ganyan.
Naro ko sa Uptown.
Uptown na gyapon.
Naro ko sa
Pero asa ka connected, Bern? You work for this or nadyo kay private company nga gitrabaho?
Yes, I work
by
with
this time?
a private company. I am privately employed and I'm currently managing a cafe and an aesthetic clinic.
Asa dapit?
So an aesthetic clinic, sorry. Ang aesthetic clinic is nasa SM North Wing.
SM North Wing.
Yes.
Second floor.
Yes. I'm currently managing Skin Rev and
Masig makabisit na dito po.
puhon.
Dito talaga pagwapo.
Oo, kato mga self-care,
Yeah.
Skin Rev. And if you wish to visit also a cafe nga na ay allowed ba itong storya din?
Yeah.
Sa kape.
Primero Coffee Roaster is one of our favorite
Thank you
coffee.
so much, Primero Roaster.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having us here. Pero yeah, basi makadrop by mo sa LEC Cafe sa Malasag. Yeah, I'm also the sales and operations manager dito.
Okay. Sige. Lamin yun.
Of course, dili pwede mo yung tagoy lami. Lami dila pirmi.
Asa yung source of coffee?
We have a supplier and I'm not sure if we're not allowed to disclose it.
Yeah.
Kay kuan magudpod, wapon ko actually personally ko kabalo. Eh naman may purchase.
Sila ra mo nakabalo.
Sila rin nakabalo so di na ko makialam lagi ilang.
Maayo.
So yes, wala ka energy.
Wala na.
Ka.
Di na-miss ko sa imong giinom ba. Kabalo ka, Bern. I can attest because of course, sometimes kanang need sa atong body ang mga supplement ba.
Yes.
Kay dili lang inap ang atong ipagkaon nga lami, nga mga nasa restaurant, but we need some supplement for our body in order for us to be very energetic in our everyday living.
And kani sa FGS, we are not restricting ourselves. We don't have strict meal plans. We
Ito
don't
to NGS?
FGS.
FGS.
Field grade system.
Okay.
So we don't have restrictive diets. We don't calorie count. But of course, we have to make good choices. Walay bawal. As long as nalagining duha, you are protected.
So that is wala age nga kuan ka ng specific nga age nga pwede makainom na even bata pwede.
Anyone can drink this, even bata.
Okay.
Mga younger ones gani karon hilig kig kape-kape mga matcha-matcha.
Mga tea,
mga tea, mga coffee, kani
affordable po na siya.
very affordable. Very affordable sa mga tao nga nay mga pangita. Sa mga tao nga taas og respeto sa kaugalingon, ma-afford gid ni.
Okay. No, I
Mas
understand.
mahal ang cellphone kaysa kani.
Sa muka.
Ana gid na siya mga mads, you know. If you are really prioritizing something magud sa imong life, you do everything in your power to achieve that.
Ganali ko ni Bernie kay very kuan ba?
What?
Very energetic kayo.
Butang ba ni energetic
Tungod din siguro ali sa imong kainom. I am sure.
Isa pud na.
Lagi. Marunot na tag energy sa iya guys.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's alright. No worries.
But anyway, for those who would like to ask more about FGS, you can send me a message personally. You know what, Brad? Isa sa mga reason nga nag-shift na ko from my funny contents to field grade system.
Yes.
It's because I'm in the position now to spread the word. You know, most people nowadays are insulin resistant. Ang uban gani ga promote gani og sugal,
Yes.
kani ga promote ko og wellness.
Yes.
So why not, di ba? So this is my new advocacy now, and I will be doing this for lifetime yun. So kung kamo, if you feel like naka-board mo sa akong feel great content, you can unfollow me. Okay ra yun. Because if you're looking for funny people, dagan man kayo funny people.
Yeah, it's
Pero-
their choice, man.
But yeah, it's your call, it's your choice.
Yeah.
But if you are willing to explore more about being healthy,
Yeah.
into wellness, why not stick with me?
Yeah. Tinod na. Sakto gina.
Yes.
Ano, nabiya sa ulahi ang pagbasol. Wala may basol nga mag-una.
Mas mahal kung ma-hospital.
Kaysa mag-purchase or
Yes.
mag-patronage aning mga product.
Because you know what guys? You know what, Brad?
Diyon na lang.
Akong nanay manggod na hospital manggod siya. So I told myself, I have to be healthy for these people because kung dili ko healthy po, inya hospital sila. Oh, daw sa yung gasto.
So na kay hugot why you choose this
Yes,
one.
na ko'y hugot. Isa sa inspiration na ko, ako yung mama.
Alright. So, nakatabang may si mong mama.
Nakatabang yun. Akong nanay is 76 years old and she's taking this for the last 3 months.
3 months pa.
Yes.
Baby pa kayo sa experience. And your experience this years na?
Dili pa, September to. Mag 7 months na ko.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But very effective.
Very effective. Safe, effective. And these products, kaninga products are listed in the prescriber's digital reference. Pasabot na the gold standard of pharmaceutical drugs.
Okay.
Mura siyang Bible sa mga doctors, ang PDR.
Yeah.
You can search that pdr.net. Dili mo magmahay ani. Some of the doctors are recommending these products to their patients actually.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Napakagusto idagdag nga wala ko na pangutanan nimo. Nahurot akong power nimo man.
Mangutan ako.
Yeah, sure.
What inspired you na imo ning gabuhaton karon ang content creation? Like, I know you're a very busy person because you're into real estate.
Yes.
Like, what made you do this?
Anyway, that's a very good question. It crossed my mind. Sometimes I feel bored. Ako raman punta.
Being bored makes you creative.
So, usay po stress ta. Now, I have noticed myself nga kalabot tong ginagmay pa lang bahay guys. Nami diri sa site na. And then ano ko sang kugulingon nga why not ako na lang ning i-vlog ba or i-content na ako nino. Then usahay pud ma-feel po na ako nga mawala akong stress. Mag-vlog ko. And then nagsugod ko just April 2. Just last month. So ano ko nga, okay. Siguro, okay na siguro nila. I'm not, kung ano nga, na-income or wala. Nga ako nga, ma-enjoy lang ko. Then, mawala lang akong stress.
Yeah. And also guys,
Yeah.
isa po sa napansin ako sa real estate industry bitaw. Most of the kasi tawag sa inyo yun?
Salesperson.
Salesperson or brokers.
Broker is katong registered gid siya.
Okay.
Katong salesperson is licensed po siya, pero dili siya broker.
Okay.
So, every broker na 20 ka salesperson.
Okay, so na ana, no? So
yes.
that's in your industry. Isa sa napansin ako magod is
Yes.
since they are into content creation manggod. Why? Because improve na pud ang taste manggod sa ilang mga customers.
Correct. That's correct.
Like gapangita pag sila og more detailed or more specific nga mga areas nga ginabaligya sila mga properties.
Correct. That's correct.
Yeah, so gusto ko pangitaan daw na ani siya na like lahi lagi pud mga taste sa mga tao karon.
Correct.
So they want to have the value sa ilang kwarta. That is why dapat walay mga hidden nga mga topics or walay hidden nga mga areas na dili ma-cover. That is why some of the brokers or salespersons kay the content creation again. And why not, di ba? It's
Yeah.
one way of being more advantage sa mga other salesperson.
Yeah, that's correct. Nowadays, ang salesperson man good kay na-content na gid po sila.
Yes.
Ilang ipang vlog, ilang ipang content and ilang mga listing, mga nalay, which is good kay at least maabalo po ang mubang mga tao ba.
Yeah.
Pero not all pod kay ang uban pod kay di po kayo ganahan nga
Oo.
mag-delve silang personality sa social media.
Nagidi nga na po.
Mm.
Like,
Have you actually tried to be a salesperson in real estate?
yeah, pero I cannot really see myself yun sa industry. Because you know what? Akong gitry. Gitry na akong self, ha? Grabe ka-aggressive ang mga salespersons o brokers sa social media.
Yeah.
Like, abigin ako nga sa isa ka property. Okay pa ni? Na-reserve na diya siya sa isa ka broker or sa isa ka salesperson. Like, oh my God. Bago pa ganun ng pre-selling, nakurot na.
Yeah.
You know, it's all about connections also sa industry. So I don't see myself yun. I don't wanna be more, parang I don't wanna be stressed sa anak yun. Like, ako gusto ko chill lang.
Yeah. Ako bago last year pa. I just started last year in real estate. But I enjoyed. Yeah, I enjoyed. And then because I was in the corporate world before, then nag-services na dahil ko karon. So, nanami sa air conditioning, ginagmay sa mga constructions. So, ginagmay lang din. Napugulay ko karon ni join na po ko sa pagka-content creator. So, lang, chill lang.
Linya-linya. Find your passion. Find your path.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's a good thing to have you in my show.
Thank you so much also. It's such an honor to be part of your show.
Yeah, let's talk with Jonas. So, Bern,
Thank you for staying with us, guys,
Yeah.
until the very last area of our interview.
yeah, pero kabalo kang gikaon akong energy. Grabe energy si Bern. Grabe, mas labaw sa personal kaysa iyang mga vlog.
I'm so
I tell
sorry,
you.
guys, but
Because of,
these products are giving me that kind of energy.
yeah. Bern, thank you very much for
Thank you
your
so
time.
much. Thank
It's my
you so
honor to be in
much.
the show.
Yes, such an honor.
Yeah.
So
Would you like to have some parting words?
don't forget to follow, like, and share the post. And
Let's talk with Jonas.
more sessions pa ni siya. He will be featuring more content creators
Yes,
in the future.
yeah. Thank you for
Thank
your
you
time.
so much. Bye.
Bye. Okay, sa ato pa. Private